Hi guys, so today I'm going to do this neon gel polish on my toes. To start off with, I've done all my prep work and I'm now going to do 2 coats of white, curing in between each layer. Now while this second layer is still wet, we're going to go in with 2 neon polishes. So I'm going to put some on the top and the bottom with this neon orange, and in the middle put the neon yellow. Then using a thin tipped brush, and I'm going to do some swipes through the polish. Keep a lint pad to the side to wipe off the brush as well. Once you're happy with the design, just going to cure that in the lamp again. Now it's time to top coat. You can do a plain, or in this case I'm choosing a scattered glitter.